Everyone's building AI fitness now. But we were doing the real work before it had a name. Since 2010, we've been laying the foundations of intelligent training. Over 2 million users, working alongside real fitness professionals, becoming experts ourselves. We refined the data, built the library, worked with dozens of experts. Then we watched gym-based money grabbers flood the App Store. So we're back. We rebuilt the engine and the entire user experience. The new app is here, built by pioneers.